Hi, this is Dr. Liu. So this is a video for the inclined plane. So let's go through some introduction. I have an inclined plane right here, and I also have a small bubble level for calibrating the inclined plane, just to make sure it is 0 degrees when the inclined plane is flat. Also have a little bit of putty just to secure the board in case the board slides around. I thought about using the putty entirely, but I decided to put some rubber feet on the board, so it doesn't really slide that much anymore, even without putty. So I have this already connected to my computer. I have Thonny already running. So the first step is to see if the inclined plane is level. So okay, I have the inclined plane at 0 degrees. So this is what I see here is the indicator is it's basically a triangular shape. It's got a tip here. The bottom of the tip lines up with the bottom of the 0 degree um, because these divisions are very wide. So at the moment, the bottom of the wide division lines up with the indicator. So that's my starting point, and I'll place my bubble level right here in the middle and have a good look. And looks like it's pretty level. I might be able to make it slightly better if I tip this side. If I just track it. No, actually the other side. Okay, it's. I guess I can't really make it any better. I might be able to reduce some wobbling by trimming this side, this piece of paper. Um, okay, maybe maybe fold it. As long as I can stick a piece of paper underneath and easily slide. This side needs a little bit of trimming. Okay, so this should be good. Now we have a stable surface. It's no longer wobbly, and we still have the surface level enough. So put that away, and I have the board, and the board already has the accelerometer and powered up with a little green LED indicator. And this microcontroller also is powered up, so I can place it onto the board, and I can also just route the USB cable onto the pulley here if I want, and that would be able to make it easier so that the cable will not really yank the whole board. So maybe I'll take a little bit of putty and secure that cable onto the pulley. I'll make sure that I can still take that putty off instead of just cramming the entire piece of putty inside of the groove. I'm just holding. Okay, so that will be good enough. And I'm also checking, visually checking to make sure the board lines up with the inclined plane. So I'm ready to collect data. Once I start thawing, I should be able to collect some data based on the angle. I have 0 degrees. I want to make sure that the board is level enough. If the x-axis, for instance, is reading somewhere not really close to 0, maybe the board is not lined up, maybe the rubber feet are not exactly the same height, I can always take a little bit of that putty, put it underneath the shorter leg in case that happens, and start pressing it down until the readings in the x-axis is near 0. So I'll end this video. Next one will have the Thani interface, so we can start reading the data.